The charity Solar Aid challenged us to design an LED lantern for Africa, but we ended up designing a radical new form of lighting. I'm Jim, and this is Gravity Light. We set out to design a light that could replace the ubiquitous and damaging kerosene lamps widely used in remote areas of Africa. The light was to contain a battery and be recharged from a solar panel. The further the project progressed, though, the more we felt there was an opportunity for a more radical approach, which better answered the problem. We have created a lamp which will cost villagers less than $10 to buy, with no running costs. The villagers' investment is returned within 3 months of being freed from the cost of kerosene. From then on, it saves them money. Our new light is powered by gravity. The seconds it takes to lift a weight creates enough energy for half an hour of light whenever it's needed. It has no batteries to run out, replace, or dispose of. We have designed Gravity Light to power other things as well, such as a reading light, a radio, or simply to recharge batteries. The brightness of the light can be adjusted up for a task light, or down for a gentle glow which lasts over half an hour. It is delivered in a durable fabric bag, which when filled with rocks, sand or earth, provides the weight to power it. We are passionate to take this idea forward, and we know that with further R&D funding we can double its efficiency and build this into an even cheaper, optimised Mark II. So we hope you like our idea. It's taken a lot of work to get it this far, but now we really need your help to make it real.
We need funds to tool, manufacture and trial 1,000 units, which we'll give to villagers in the developing world. We'll gain valuable insights into how they use them on a daily basis.
These insights will help us refine our design. With production volumes, we can get price down and efficiency up.
Meaning that in the future, villagers can purchase a Gravity Light for less than $5.
This is Pod. It lets you really get to know your pet. You attach it to their collar and track them on your phone or computer. It works for all pets. Really, all pets. Pod helps you when your escape artist runs away. So you can locate them anytime, anywhere. There's also a safe zone feature, so when your furry friend escapes, you get an alert on your phone. Have you ever wondered what your pet gets up to when you're not around? Well, now you can follow their adventures to see exactly where they've been. You can even monitor their activity levels to make sure they're getting enough exercise. Never lose your pet again with Pod.
Hello, Governor. I am a lamplighter. I can turn anything on but a woman. Oh, it's good work too, night lighting. Bad things happen in the dark. You could run into a wall or slip and fall.
Plus, the dark can be just plain scary. It makes the kiddos insecure.
Course, that's why night lights were invented. But not all night lights are created equal. The most popular is plug-ins, but who knows why. They're bulky, unattractive, and take up outlet space. Plus, they break easy. And if they don't break, they burn out quickly and need replacing like an out-of-shape husband. Hey. No offence, mate. And then there is the greatest night light in all of history. Introducing the Snap Power Guide Light. It is the simplest and most ingenious and most convenientest night light that ever was. To install, simply remove the existing outlet cover and replace it with the Snap Power Guide Light. And voila! It installs in seconds and provides pathway lighting all through your house without taking up a single outlet space. That's right. It installs in literally seconds. The patented prongs on the back of the guide light snap onto your existing outlet to conduct its electricity. So no wiring, no batteries required. And because it looks exactly like your existing outlet covers, you don't even notice it's there until you need it.
The light sensor turns the LED lights on automatically in the dark, so there's no trouble turning them on every night or off in the morning. And for all this ease, you'll pay just 10 cents of energy for the entire year!
And because they're LEDs, not bulbs, they'll last for decades. That's right. Instead of 25 weeks, these little beauties will last 25 years. Use them anywhere and everywhere to see what you need to in the dark. Hallways, stairways, bathrooms, kids' rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, countertops, muffin tops.
So because you like to see in the dark, click now to visit snappower.com to get the best nightlight in history for your home and light up your life. Hundreds of thousands of other people have already bought the Snap Power Guide light based on strong reviews from all these media outlets. And that's just a handful. According to the #1 magazine in do-it-yourself and home improvement, it's the best nightlight in history. So how many geniuses does it take to install a Snap Power Guide light? None. A moron can do it. It just takes a genius to buy it. So click now.
What is Color Muse? Color Muse works with an app on your iPhone or Android to scan and match colors. Just place Color Muse on a surface and press scan on the app. The app will show a list of the best color matches to products. In this case, the app is matching Sherwin-Williams paint. Color Muse can match many other paint brands as well, and products such as flooring, textiles, laminate, furniture, even apparel and shoes. The Color Muse device is $59 and the app is free. Color Muse can tell you the color in a variety of notations such as RGB, hex, lab, and others. It can accurately digitize colors you see in real life, such as magazines and products. Color Muse can tell you the best color match or help select coordinating colors. Color Muse app allows you to save colors you like into custom palettes. You can even take photos as notes to help you remember. You can share your palettes via most social media or via private web link to a colleague or client. For more information, please go to www.colormuse.io or simply search Color Muse on Google.